Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels for today. When we look at the economical events plan for today, today is Tuesday, October 4th. We have Chinese bank holiday. At 9 a.m. we have high impacting news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 6:45 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news plan for euro related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from the daily time frame, we have noticed the price action to trend on the bearish trend, and currently it has taken support on the bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and it is on a bullish side retracement. Previously we have considered this area between 1700 and 1680 is a very strong resistance zone, and currently we have noticed a price action to form a very big high volume green candle on the bullish side, trying to bridge this resistance zone. And if the price action bridges this resistance zone, we can expect it to retest on this bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish trend in daily time frame. So for now, the price action is in a bullish side retracement. There is no bearish trend for now. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1680 in order to take trades on the bearish side. This area between 1700 to 1680 is a no trade zone, because we might see the price action to retrace and to take support at this support zone and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So I would recommend you to wait till you find a clear breakout red color candles like this in order to take trades on the bearish side. For now, the price action is in a bullish side retracement. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. And currently the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish side retracement, trying to break this psychological resistance level of 1700, and if the breakout fails, wait for the price action to break this long term support level of 1680 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1670, 1652 and 1622. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1700, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1722, 1749. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame from the level of 1731, we have noticed a price action to trend on a bearish trend. Now it has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So as I explained in the daily time frame, if the price action managed to break this resistance level of 1700, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue, and we have the next level of resistance from the daily time frame, which is around 1722. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame also. So for 4 hours time frame also, I would recommend you to draw a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action, based on which you can decide whether to go on a bullish side trade or on a bearish side trade. So as long as the price action is trading above this green color trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And once the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. For now, this level of 1680 is acting as a very strong support level for 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and for the hourly time frame also I am drawing a resistance line connecting the previous highs. And presently the price action has tested this resistance line from the hourly time frame, and we are noticing the price action to retest on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks this 4 hours time frame support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. And if the price action bounces back from this support line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Presently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1700 on a bearish side retracement. Next level of support from the hourly time frame is going to be around 1689, 1675, 1661, 1643 and 1615. And if the price action breaks the daily time frame resistance level of 1700, next level of resistance from the hourly time frame is going to be around 1709, 1721 and 1735. And since the price action is trading above this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also on a bullish trend. Currently it is making a bearish side retracement. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the daily time frame resistance level of 1700 on a bearish side retracement. And if the bearish trend continues also, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1680. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1680 and the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, we can expect a bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. And currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame has made a double top pattern, so we can expect it to retrace up to this trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to get rejected from the resistance level of 1702, and if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1693, 1686, 1676, 1672, 1667, 1659. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1702, next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1714 and 1722 from the daily time frame. Above this we have the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to form a double top pattern and to bounce back on a bearish side retracement. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1696, 1695, 1693, 1690, 1687, 1683, 1678. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1699, next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1700 and 1702 from the 5 minutes time frame. And as long as the price action is trading above this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 15 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get daily update on gold analysis.